In this quick video, we're going to talk about how you can get Robux with Bing rewards. All you need to do is go to the Microsoft Rewards section and click on Start Earning, and it's going to take us to this page. Here you can earn points by doing daily sets and other tasks, and once you have enough points, you will be able to click on Redeem, and if your region has available Roblox or Robux gift cards, you will be able to see them right here in the redeem section. So once you have enough points, as you can see, they are gonna cost 6,750 points. You will click on Roblox digital card, and right here you will see how many you can buy. You can buy 400 Robux for that amount which we just said. You will be able to get 800 Robux for 13,000 points and 1,000 Robux for 16,250 points. Once you have enough points, then you will be able to redeem them here. This bar is going to fill up and you will be able to buy them with the Bing rewards. And also you have the option of auto redeeming. This is going to auto redeem when you hit this point amount if you enable it. And that is basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.